So, hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video we will cover the main highlight features and do an overview of DJI's Phantom 4. Do know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment, and also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. Initially released in the spring of 2016, DJI's Phantom 4 is the next evolution in their professional lineup and officially replaces the Phantom 3. Now dubbed as the ultimate flying machine, it looks to be the ideal choice for enthusiasts looking for a high-quality, intelligent drone, and a drone DJI aims to compete with Unex Typhoon H and 3DR's Solo. With this model, DJI has streamlined the design and performed a full cosmetic overhaul. It now features cleaner lines which give the drone a sleek unibody design, and it uses an updated magnesium frame for added strength and agility. DJI also provides a full suite of replacement parts on their site, so if damages occur, you can easily get replacements if needed. It inherits the same 1/2.3-inch Exmor CMOS sensor, which provides 12.4 megapixel still images, and like the predecessor, it captures Cinema 4K video up to 24p. However, new for the drone is 1080p Full HD video up to 120p for super slow motion videos. It also features a new 20mm f2.8 lens with better sharpness and reduced chromatic aberration. Plus, the 3-axis gimbal is now updated to reduce vibrations. Otherwise, the drone still offers an excellent selection of shooting modes from burst to time lapses, HDR, exposure bracketing, and the D-Log profile. The drone does, however, feature a brand new battery system, which has improved 20% over the predecessor, and DJI now rates the drone for 28 minutes of flight on a single charge, making it among the highest in the medium drone segment. DJI ships this drone with the same LightBridge remote controller as the predecessor, and the remote offers dedicated buttons for immediate access to various functions, and DJI rates the remote for a maximum transmission range of 5,000 meters. You fly the drone using the DJI Go 4 app, which connects via a smartphone or tablet. The app itself is well designed, straightforward, and intuitive to use. DJI also includes a built-in editor in the app, making the process of sharing photos or videos quite seamless. And the app also includes no-fly zones pre-built in to warn you when you are flying in restricted airspace. New for the drone is a robust obstacle sensing system, also known as OSS, a new form of computer imaging which constantly scans for obstacles, and it can recognize and avoid these obstacles within 15 meters by going around, over, or hovering in place to prevent accidental collisions. Also new for the drone is Tap Fly, which allows you to fly in any direction with the tap of a finger without a remote controller. The Phantom 4 is also the first drone that DJI released with Active Track, a revolutionary addition that now allows for subject tracking using algorithms. Outside of this, it also obtains all of their standard intelligent flight modes, which includes point of interest, follow me, waypoint, and automatic return home. In the end, DJI's Phantom 4, sure, in some ways is only a modest update over the predecessor and the culmination of its proven successes, but its additions create a far superior platform and an excellent evolution in the series, and combined with its updated camera, obstacle avoidance system, and intelligent flight modes, it's quite a powerhouse. With the Phantom 4, DJI has made a notable leap over the competition and officially the first to bring about reliable autonomous flight, and those added autonomous capabilities indeed raise the bar of what's possible in a mid-tier consumer drone. To date, it remains an excellent all-rounder for both amateurs looking for their first drone or professionals looking for a new angle. So, there you have it my friends, there are the highlights in the overview of DJI's Phantom 4. For more information on the Phantom 4, check out our website, PhotographyPX.com. Go to our drones page, and there you will see a full detailed written review, as well as other reviews of drones that may be of interest to you. You can also look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and that will take you right to the full review as well. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. Photography. P. photographypx.com.